Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. It's time to act spirit. To give you the wisdom, knowledge, and understanding so you can work smart, not hard. And when you get that wisdom, that download, have a teachable heart and teachable spirit where you actually take it in and then you actually utilize it. Put it into action. God has a plan for me and I live here and now knowing beauty is to come. I don't force things to happen faster than the universe has decided for me. And I learn from my experiences, take small steps in faith and I succeed. You succeed. Thanks to all of your efforts. So it's time to put those efforts forward, best foot forward, listen to wisdom, knowledge, understanding. When you get that new download, when you get that new word of wisdom, take it, use it, and get ready to skyrocket. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.